Okay, so hello everyone. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to go over how to actually do this problem. So we're going to go over this problem, and this is for sequences in series. So here it tells us to find a formula for the following sequence and determine whether it's geometric or arithmetic. So let's see here. So here we have these following few terms, and let me just rewrite it here. So we're gonna kind of go like this. So let me actually do 1 second, guys. Okay, so here we have the first term. So let's kind of rewrite. Let's call this sequence a sub n, and we're gonna do -5/7, -5/14, -5/28, ... Okay, and so my first term obviously is -5/7, so that's a sub 1. My second term is -5/14, and then my third term is -5, or I'm sorry, my third term is -5/28, so it's a sub 3. Okay, so if you kind of look at the pattern on the top, we can clearly see that there's nothing really going on. It's really just being times by itself. So really, we don't have to put, we can just put, you know, we can go ahead and leave it as it is. Now, when we go on the bottom here, we can clearly see that there is a kind of like you're multiplying by 2 every single time. And on the top, like I said, nothing's really going on. We can clearly see that it's just times 1 every time. So on the top, we can clearly see on the -5, it's just multiplying times 1 every single time. So we can clearly see that this sequence is geometric. So we know that the formula for a geometric sequence is the following, and it's a sub 1, and we're going to do r to the n-1 power. And so a sub 1 would be my first term. So this is, this is really my first term of the sequence, and my r is the common ratio. So the common ratio is really what we're multiplying by every time we go to the next term. And then here, we can clearly see that that our first n terms, which are our first 3 terms, are defined by n. So n is really the nth term, or it's really like the term like 1, 2, 3 is really the inputs that we're putting in for our whatever our formula would be for n. So if we look closely here, we can clearly see that a sub 1 is -5/7. So a sub 1, I'll just write this down. A sub 1 is -5/7, and we can clearly see that, like I said, every time we go to the next term, we can clearly see that from -5/7 to -5/14, for example, we can see that it is multiplied times 1/2 every single time. So we can really tell that our r value, every time we go to the next term, we multiply times 1/2. So r is 1/2, and that's what we call our common ratio. So now we need to go ahead and define our formula. So like I said, a sub 1 is our first term. So really, let me just rewrite this really quick. Okay, guys. So here we have the the formula. So now we're just going to go ahead and fill in our properties here, like the stuff that we have here. So we're going to go ahead and do a sub n, and it's going to be the first term. So the first term was negative 5/7, and then times, and r was 1/2. So like this, and then it was raised to the n minus 1. So we know that this is my answer for this geometric sequence. So our formula, our final answer that defines this geometric sequence is negative 5/7 times 1/2 to the n minus 1. And that is our answer. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. If anybody has any questions, oh, and it's, I forgot to tell y'all, it's geometric. So yeah, it's geometric. So we know that it's geometric and that this is our formula here. So that is going to be it for this video, guys. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. And also please like, comment, and or subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.